To be honest. The light's got that bit crack. Fourth Estate's an amazing building. You're gonna have to be really careful. Just put the camera down a little bit. I must be mad. 29 to 30 centigrade riding a pedal assist bike in this weather. I do miss me old biking times, but what can you do? Just got no choice to stick to this. Like I say, it's better than nothing. Better than nothing, folks. Like I said, it's just, at least it gets me out. I do miss my old biking days. If my muscle wasn't hurting, I'd be biking normal. I have made no plans, I'm just go with the flow. The only downside about this bike, I haven't got a bottle holder, so I have to make one on myself. I'll show you later. I had to make it on the back of the bike. And this bloody juice is getting warm already. Well, that tree's taking a bit of a hit on it. Crazy. Like I said, it has got gears. 7 speed, normal. I always use it on medium setting, but if it comes to like a tiny bank, I'll use the higher one. Well, it was either two choices: lie in the garden, soak up the sun, or just get out on fresh air, even though it's bloody warm. To be honest, I won't be coming this way on the way back. I'm going to have to go a different way, more low level kind of thing. Longston Leek, I can go that way, but it's loads of bloody banks. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy this view a second. tell you what, folks, wouldn't you just love living here? You'd have no stress, would you? You'd have no worry, like a house like that. You'd have no worry, no stress, no problems. No people hanging around, up to no good, speeding around the streets, and you can live somewhere like this. Look at that there. I'm not sure if that's still a hotel or not. Station Hotel. Oh well. And that bank up there is a massive bank. I've been up it and I've been down it. Just gonna have a quick break at Rudyard Lake. I was going to go to the mansion, to be honest, but it's going to be a bit of a problem trying to get me back over the fence, to be honest. We'll stop here, have a 5-minute rest, because don't like stopping too long, because I want to get going. So half the people have got bloody cars in it. Lovely bubbly, hey? You know what, I could have driven a Mercedes Sprinter through there faster than that. Thanks.
Hello. Hello. How are you? All right. It is, yeah. Are you just walking?
Yeah.
It's all these locks, folks, padlocks.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're right though. You're right.
Oh.
Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe. Just a short video through Rudyard Lake and everything. I don't know whereabouts the train station used to be. Thank you. Yeah.
By the way, which... Yeah, because that was the whole point of today.
I'll walk down to you.
But there'll still be tasks people will have to do at RT line.
Hi folks, back again. Part 2. Still on the old Rudyard rail line. To be honest, my drink is so bloody warm, I think I need to get excuse me, another one from somewhere, I don't know where. Actually, I got a can of pop, I might have some of that, to be honest. I'm going to pause it here a second folks while I have a quick drink a can of pop. That's if it's not bloody warm by then. This is where I could do one of them. Right. Just switch this off a second. Well, that's what I'm riding on folks. I've actually got 2 of these. I am going to actually check if I can actually get wider tyres for this. But look at this. Look at all this here. All around here, how peaceful it is. The old Leek railway line. All the way along here. Used to be. Anyway, I'll see you in the next off. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.